What's up, guys? We got the new Radiomaster Boxer. This is the ELRS edition. Just got it in from Newbie Drone and I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Manual. Some of these stickers. Manual. This is a fancy box. Kind of like it. Wow. It's strapped in. Ooh. It's a gimbal cover. It's not 3D printed. This is like a molded TPU or I don't know. Feels really nice. Alright, here's the moment I've been waiting for. I want to hold this thing. Oh. It does feel good. it like curls, your hands just curl around those grips. It's sweet. There's what it looks like. Wow. Super nice. The switches feel good too. Nice solid clicks. The dials feel alright, they're pretty stiff. Little detent there. Okay. Got your switches up top. Trims for airplanes. Wow. Yeah, the only reason I bought this is because I wanted a smaller radio. I got the normal Radiomaster like everybody else does, the TX16S. But I don't know. I was just thinking something different might be good for a change, and this just feels a lot more natural. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like this, and this is the one with the built-in ELRS version, so I don't have to hook up a module in the back. That was kind of another reason I wanted to get something like this, because my old TX16S had the module that clips in the back, and it sits kind of loose in there, and I don't really like that. So this will be a good option for me. I think I'm just gonna do quads on this. Until I convert my airplanes over to ELRS. I prefer if they came out with like an 8-channel receiver, or at least a 6-channel. Right now they only got a 5-channel. So I'm kind of waiting for them to come out with at least a 6-channel receiver, and then I can run it like all my airplanes on this too, because this does have trim switches, so I'd be good to go. If you open up the back, it has this little 18650 tray. It says ensure proper polarity on the warning sticker. Fitment's pretty lame. There's really not much holding it in there. It just flops around. That battery they made specific for this was kind of sweet. Looked like it fit the whole gap, which would have been nice. But you gotta go ground shipping if you do the battery, so I wanted this as fast as possible. Alright, let's power this thing up. Gotta hold it forever and a day.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning.
Wow, my camera doesn't like that screen. That screen. The only downside to this is that screen is kind of outdated. We're back to that. It's very basic. But I mean, at the end of the day, you really don't need anything fancy. If anything, you're just wasting battery with that big LCD screen on the TX16S. Nice. Ooh, it's even got a Delta Wing mix in it for airplanes. That's pretty cool. Otherwise, you got to do some funky Elevon mix. Yeah, this is a boring video. I just wanted to open this up and feel it in my hands for myself. So I'm going to update all my drone receivers to the new 3.0. Everything's still on like 2.5, so I need to update it to match this. So I might get busy and do that tonight. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna do more videos of me flying around, and I'll probably have this in there, and maybe I'll comment on it as I fly around. But yeah, so far so good. Stay tuned.